Hey guys, it's Asif here. It's been a long time, I haven't uploaded a video yet, but here I am. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install and play Tekken 3 on your Android device. So let's get started. But first of all, to play Tekken 3 you need to download two things, an emulator and Tekken 3 ISO file. So go to your browser and search EPSXE APK. So this download and install it from here. Okay. After that, go to your browser again and search Tekken 3 ISO for EPSXE. Scroll down a little bit. Yes, download it from here. Okay. So once you finish downloading the ISO file, you need to make sure to put the file in the internal memory of your device, because in some devices the emulator couldn't find the ISO file. So after you finish with these, go to the emulator and start the app. Click on run game. Skip it, click on run game again, and click on the file, and voila, now you can play Tekken 3 on your Android device. I hope you guys liked the video. So if you have any questions you can ask in the comment box, so don't forget to share and subscribe.